The power of Tadasana, mountain pose. Ground your practice, elevate your life. Yoga is more than just a workout, it's a journey into balance, mindfulness, and strength. Tadasana, or mountain pose, exemplifies this beautifully. Often underestimated for its simplicity, this foundational pose holds the power to transform your yoga practice and daily life. Let this script guide you as you embrace Tadasana to anchor your body, uplift your spirit, and unleash your inner strength. Tadasana, or mountain pose, is not just a standing position, it's a call to presence. In this seemingly simple pose, you connect deeply with your body, aligning from head to toe. Tadasana teaches us stillness with strength, grounding us while reaching for the sky. This pose is more than an exercise. It's a commitment to yourself, a gentle reminder that even the simplest acts can lead to profound transformation. Imagine standing tall, feet firmly planted, while your breath carries you into a state of calm focus. That's the energy of Tadasana. Key benefits of Tadasana. The power of Tadasana, mountain pose. Ground your practice, elevate your life, improves postural alignment, develop and maintain correct posture, reducing strain and promoting longevity for your body. Enhances stability and balance, build robust stability by feeling grounded and centered. Promotes mind-body awareness, cultivate focus, connect with your breath, and awaken your inner calm. Through the empowerment of Tadasana, you will lay the groundwork for a thriving yoga practice and grow resilience in your everyday life. In Tadasana, every part of your body plays a role in building both physical symmetry and inner awareness. Let's break it down. Feet and legs. Spread your toes like rays of sunlight and ground your feet evenly. Your legs become pillars of strength as you gently lift your kneecaps, engaging your thighs. Pelvis and core. Keep your pelvis neutral, neither tilted forward nor backward. Activating your core stabilizes your body like the solid trunk of a mountain. Spine and shoulders. As you lengthen your spine, imagine a string pulling you upward from the crown of your head. Relax your shoulders to open your chest, creating a confident heart space. Arms and hands. Let your arms hang gracefully by your sides, palms slightly forward, symbolizing openness to energy and awareness. Head and neck. Maintain a soft gaze. Allow your head to feel like it balances effortlessly on your shoulders as your chin tucks slightly. Each detail strengthens your alignment, releasing tension while sparking vitality. This awareness fills even the quiet moments of your life with purpose. Practicing Tadasana is like plugging into your inner power source. Follow these steps to step into this moment mindfully. Set your foundation. Stand tall with your feet parallel and placed together or hip-width apart. Choose what grounds you best. Ground and root. Imagine roots growing from your feet into the earth. Distribute your weight evenly across the balls and heels of your feet. Activate your muscle strength. Engage your thighs as you lightly lift your kneecaps, avoiding locked knees. Align your core and pelvis. Tilt your pelvis slightly until balanced. Engage your core to anchor your alignment. Lengthen and open. Inhale as you grow through your spine. Roll your shoulders back and down, lifting your chest. Relax your hands. Let your arms rest by your sides with soft, active hands facing forward. Find your gaze. Keep your head in alignment and softly focus straight ahead. Practice tips. Use deep breaths to lead your body into relaxation. Inhale to rise, exhale to ground. Balance strength with ease, letting rigidity melt into calm energy. Tadasana is not just a pose, it's an act of self-care with benefits that ripple through your practice and beyond. Improves posture. helps align the body and reduces tension in the spine and joints. Strengthens core and legs, builds foundational strength that supports every movement. Enhances stability, teaches grounding, setting you up to thrive in more advanced balancing poses. Encourages mindfulness. By anchoring in the present moment, you bring peace and clarity into your day. Every time you stand in Tadasana, you are reaffirming your ability to meet life with confidence, balance, and poise. Tadasana serves as both a beginning and a sanctuary throughout your yoga journey. Initiate standing sequences. Start your flow in Tadasana to find balance and establish calm stability for poses like warrior or tree pose. Return to recenter. Between sequences, reconnect with your body and breath in Tadasana for alignment checks. End with grounding. Conclude your practice by standing firm in Tadasana, integrating the energy and grounding focus gained through your session. Even in simplicity, Tadasana invites mindfulness to avoid these misalignments. Locked knees. Keep knees soft by engaging thigh muscles rather than hyperextending. Pelvic tilt. A neutral pelvis avoids strain. Adjust with core engagement. Rounded shoulders. Draw shoulders back, opening the chest to create space for energy to flow. Uneven weight distribution. Ground through all parts of your feet, balancing the weight of effort across your base. Correcting these small shifts builds your foundation of strength and awareness. How does Tadasana make you feel emotionally and physically? Which alignment adjustment do you find the most rewarding? How will committing to daily practice of Tadasana improve your balance and stability in life? Step into Tadasana with confidence, and let this pose guide you in standing tall, not just on the mat, but in every moment of your life.